Good afternoon and welcome to the Honey Creek Country Club and Golf Community here in Conyers, Georgia. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Residential Brokerage, and I'm very excited to share my newest listing with you. Welcome to 935 Sugar Creek Drive Southeast. There are no mandatory HOA fees here, but stick around after your tour of the home and I will give you a brief look at what this fantastic swim, tennis, and golf neighborhood has to offer, if you should choose to join. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch with 2,000 square feet of living space. Where this home truly shines is not only in how it's been meticulously maintained, but just wait until you see the major investments and updates performed by my sellers to include a reworking of the original floor plan to create that truly open design. No expense was spared to create this massive designer kitchen. A huge screen-in porch was added without losing the open-air decking for grilling and entertaining. Speaking of entertaining, your guests will love relaxing and mingling around the gunite saltwater pool in this private backyard oasis. The owner's suite bath has been totally renovated. There's real hardwood floors, newer windows, newer HVAC, newer roof, new water heater, and the list goes on. And to top it off, my sellers and I even obtained a pre-listing appraisal so you can be sure the price is right. So I'm going to stop talking about it and let you go in and take a look around for yourself, but don't forget to stick around after your tour for a brief overview of the neighborhood and the local town of Conyers. Come on in and let's take a look around. So what'd you think? Didn't let you down, did it? So as I promised, a brief overview of the neighborhood and the local area. This well-established subdivision of Honey Creek is the largest subdivision in Conyers. Located here within the neighborhood is the Honey Creek Golf and Country Club. For a very affordable membership, you can have access to the newly renovated 18-hole golf course, lighted tennis courts, huge swimming pool, and the 17,000 square foot clubhouse. Even non-members are invited to meet your neighbors at the full-service lounge every Wednesday night for burger and trivia or burger and bingo night. The Country Club is supported off of memberships only, so for more information go to honeycreekgolf.com. The Homeowners Association fees here are only a voluntary $40 a year. Outside the neighborhood, just 10 minutes away, is the Georgia International Horse Park. A great place to take in a horse show, of course, but also make use of their miles of walking and mountain biking trails, or attend one of the many festivals that come here each year, such as the Cherry Blossom Festival. The home is only about 5 minutes from downtown Conyers, giving you an endless choice of restaurants to choose from, such as Jim and Nick's Barbecue, Ruby Tuesdays, Freddy's has the absolute best burgers in town, and don't miss the authentic Mexican, outdoor seating, and live entertainment most nights at Los Flores in Old Town Conyers. All the typical chain stores are here like Target, Walmart, Kohl's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and more. Need more entertainment? Try hiking at the Davidson Arabia Mountain and Nature Preserve. The Yellow River is close by for picnicking, fishing, or joining the local kayak club, or just have a plain old night out at the movies at the Crossroads 16 Theater. If you'd like more information, you've got questions, or if you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, please give me a call. 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button to learn more. My listings always receive professional photos that are listed on 2 local multiple listing services and are pushed to over 900 websites. I always do an HD video just like this one on all my listings. So also email me at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.